Hi guys, welcome back to X Universe. Today I'm gonna be playing Subway Surfer City. And I'm gonna be using the OC, which is Jake. So I'm gonna use the standard outfit. I don't really have the crew style outfit, but you have to go to level 16 to just get this one. And he has 3 skills, which is get a magnet when you activate a board. Second is get a board charged by picking up coins. And I don't really have this, but you have to unlock level 8 to get this skill. But I don't have level 8 yet. I'm actually level 5. So start runs with a board ready, so it suddenly have like a board. And why start a board if you actually need to have a stack of boards? No, you have unlimited boards, but you have to collect some that energy bars. That energy bars represent the energy for your board, so you can surf. And if I activate my board, I can't do that because it's not full. And if it's not full, it's not able to be used. And now I can use it. Okay, so and when you meet up servers, you have to get to them, and then you'll get a free bonus score. Like I just now got 1,500 because of Jake. No, wait, not Jake. Fresh just now, and I was trapped. So yeah. At least I had a board. And that's Miss Maya just 300 meters away. So yeah. So this is like don't do some accidents or you're gonna crash like in a normal game. So we're gonna use the tricky here. Okay. So Tricky has a coin doubler when picking up 200 coins, and then get a bubblegum gum when picking up 300 coins, and get a coin sack when picking up 125 coins. But I'm now level 4 and it's gotta be level 8. And the multiplier is still 2.5, and I don't really have the crew style trick. I only have the standard. Using the treasure board again. Now let's go. It'll be kind of more close to get 6,000, but you know, I'm kind of more further when I'm playing this. I just want to showcase every character in this game, so I can show you guys the game that I'm playing right now, which is Subway Surfer City right now. Battery. That's actually kind of too fast for getting 3,000 right now. So it's actually just because of the board right now. The board actually gives us a bonus score here. So it was like 1.4, but not a nice board that I actually usually use, but kind of bored using it. It's like 1.2, and just notice that Thrasher is actually more longer, kind of, and also giving a bigger score. Okay, kind of do some parkour here, and I got a secret star, which is platform peril. That was actually kind of intense. We're gonna be meeting Jake. Ow. And in case if you keep doing that, you're not gonna get except if you crash. So if you just crash, you lose. Like that. Okay, so now we're gonna be going for fresh. I only have the standard. Everyone I have the standard except for Miss Maya. So I'm level 3. So only have the skill of creature of habit, which is get a board charge over time, which is 50 seconds. And then at level 4, you get Clean Rider, get a bonus score multiplier when riding a board, and final one, Secret Stars worth double. Ooh. Level 8. Yes. I haven't equipped it. Sorry. In case you want to know, he only has like 2 times multiplier. And 3, 2, 1, go! And all of these characters, if you just start playing, you might only get like Fresh, and then Tricky, and Jake. Jake is the first one you can get. The second one is Fresh. Wait, no, Tricky. And then the third one is Fresh, of course. But how did I get Miss Maya? So at the beginning, you actually get like this mission. If you don't have like Miss Maya, you will get a mission to unlock Miss Maya, and I already completed the quest. That's why I have the crew style and standard, because I already got it from a mission. The guard just said, "Hey, come back!" So now there's actually more dialogue in this one. And if you just start playing, you'll actually get a cutscene which is, "Hey!" I don't know what that means. Ow! But if you keep playing more than one time, you're not gonna get that cutscene again. And there's actually more characters, less characters actually, than the original game. Okay. So each characters have different skills, so you can get like lots of hopes for getting like 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, and like that. Yeah. Woo! And if you just okay, like that. So you can't swim. We're going for Miss Maya for now. This is gonna be the final character that I'm gonna be showcasing. So Miss Maya, I already got the crew style. I actually also have the standard one, but I like the dark color here. So you'll get a coin doubler when you activate a board. You get a magnet when collecting coins, and the final one is bounce on tarps and bubbles to get coins and charges. So that energy bar is actually charges. And her multiplier is 2.5. Go. The game is kind of real right now. And getting this Maya is actually not really hard. Just finishing a mission and you'll get the character and also the outfit, the standard outfit. They just double jumped, but in game you can't even double jump. Woo! Oh no. So the score multiplier is actually useful for getting more scores per second, I guess. And I see another secret star actually. No! Why did I do that? Okay, that's okay. Secret stars only like give you like 1 plus 1. But you can actually stack some secret stars if you want to know. So you can get like 100 times, but you might crash at any time. If you guys play this game, try to get to the water while you guys are using your hoverboard, and you guys will be surfing. The game is called Subway Surfers. Why can't we surf? Unfortunately, I don't have any charges, so I can't use my board. And suddenly, it's full after I got that. Okay, that's okay. Just be careful when seeing the timing at your board that it doesn't finish before you get out of the water, or you're gonna lose. Did I just see a secret star? No, it was not. Whoa, 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 I'm lagging. I was lagging, then I crashed. Wait, this just gives like 2025 score, that 2025 score. That was actually such a coincidence. And we have like lots of characters from Jake to Noon. So these characters that I haven't get is like Utani, Billy, Rosalita, Jay, Ninja One, Tackbot, Spike, Ella, Tasha, Lila, Zara, Jewu, Ash, Jenny, Wade, Prince Gay, Q, and Noon. There are like lots of characters here. And my best crew is like only the 4 of them. So yeah, I mean like 1, 2, 3, 4 people on my best crew. If you see on top of Jake and Tricky. So there's actually trials here, but my trial token, the tickets, I don't really have it. And there's like lots of like the levels that if you get 3 stars each level, you'll finish one level. And then chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5. Then the docks, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4 is not there. The Sun Boulevard, I guess it was called Boulevard. And the DeLorean Park, I don't really have it. The daily trials, I don't know what is that. The shop, you can get like a starter pack, advanced pack, and expert pack. And that's like lots and lots of stuff here. And then there's a ad box at 5% is a jackpot that you can get Ninja 1. And in the super box, the jackpot is like lots of jackpots. That's a lot of characters here in the super box. There's like every character. In the bonus ad box, there's only like silver tokens and 500 coins. You can actually get Jwoo, and some other stuff, the daily deals, and then some currency. And the missions, I don't really like doing missions. Kinda error in my place right now, so I don't really have any missions to unlock. And there's like the ad gift, and then the subway pass here. In the old one, you can actually get the character, but now I don't know, but you have to buy it first to get the character. So yeah. So yeah, that was actually it for this video today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this to your friends. Bye!